For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com.
In this video lecture, I will explain you complete analysis of 5-floor small apartment building by using StatPro V8i software, which is comes under the designing of beam sections and designing of the column sections and designing of the foundation as per IS 456-2000 code. So firstly, I will show you the model which I was already done for the modeling process and analysis process under the considerations of the gravity loading condition system as well as the lateral loading condition system. Then after that, we can proceed with the designing process. So click on the StatPro V8i software here. So now you can see this is my building model. Initially, I will show you this model in 3D rendering view. So click on the 3D rendering view option. So this is my building model which I was already done. So this is the free space which is generally used for the lift provision purpose. So for this building structure, I was considered column size which is consisting of approximately 0.46 cross 0.46 and beam size approximately 0.46 cross 0.23. Again in the same process, I was taking the plate thickness which is approximately equal to 150 mm. Okay. So again I was taking the load cases which is comes under the definition of the zone 5 seismic condition system. Again in the same process, I was consider the wind type which is related to the 44 kilonewton per meter for this particular area. Okay. So now we have to define the load cases. So I was define the load cases which has comes under the earthquake loading condition, wind loading condition, dead loading condition, live loading condition. Now we have to do the analysis process. Go to analysis and print option, add your no print, close option. Again click on the run analysis option, analyze option, save option. Okay. So now we have to check for the zero errors for this respected model as per the analysis process. Then after that we can I will show you the results which has comes under the deflection value, shear value, bending value, torsion value, etc. Okay. Go to click on the post processing mode option, click on done option, apply your all load cases, click on OK. So now we can see this is the deflection diagram for this particular structure due to the presence of the earthquake load in X direction. This is the dead load in X condition system. Okay. Again select this live loading condition. This is the live load condition. Okay. So now we have to select the bend shear force diagram. So click on the Fy value. So now we can see this is the shear force diagram for this particular structure. Again in the same process, I am selecting MZ value. This is the bending moment diagram. In the same process, we have to select the plate pressure which is comes under the stress type as maximum absolute. Click on apply, click on OK. Now you can see this is the maximum absolute pressure that will be act for the different slabs. Now we have to design the building. Go to modeling, click on design option, concrete frame design. Select the code is IS 456-2000 code. Just I am selecting IS 456-2000 code here. Again select the parameters initially. Initially we need to deselect all parameters. From this we have to select the compressed strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum main, maximum secondary. Click on OK. In the same process we have to define the values which is comes under this selected parameters. So for this structure, just I am assuming grade of the concrete is M30 grade provision. Click on add option. So grade of the steel is approximately consisting of, I am selecting here as 415000. Click on add option. In the same process, I am selecting shear reinforcement. So here I am taking the values 415000. Click on add option. In the same process, maximum main select here as 16 mm. Click on add. Maximum secondary 12 mm diameter. Click on add. Close option. Okay. So now we have to select the commands option. Select design beam command. Click on add option. Again in the same process, we have to select the design column command. Click on add option. Select slab element command, click on add option, take off command, click on add option, close option. So now we have to assign this particular question marks for the building structure. For that, firstly we have to select FC by using assign to view, assign yes option. Select Fy main by using assign to view, assign yes option. Select section reinforcement, assign to view, assign yes option. Select maximum main, assign to view, assign yes option. Select maximum secondary, assign to view, assign yes option. Again I am selecting designing beam. Go to select option, select the beams which are parallel to X condition system. Again in the same process, we have to select the beams parallel to Z direction distance. Click on assign to selected beams option, assign option, yes option. Select designing column, go to select option, beams parallel to Y direction condition. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Select design element by using assign to view, assign yes option. So now we have to do the analysis process again. Go to analysis and print. Add your no print, close option again. Again I am selecting analyze option, run analysis, save it. So again we have to check for the zero errors for this respected designing considerations of M30 grade concrete and HYSD bars of 415 grade steel. Okay, now we can see it was observed with zero errors. Go to post processing mode option, click on done option. select any one of the beam. So for that, firstly we have to deselect the deflection diagram, select any one of the beam with the beam cursor option, double click on it, click on the concrete design. Now we can see it is required approximately 9 bars of 10 mm diameter at the top and 4 bars of 10 mm diameter at the bottom. In the same process, you can select any one of the beam as per the consideration. Just I am selecting here like this, okay, so that you can see able to see the values of the beam results. Okay, again in the same process we can see the column reinforcement. Just I am selecting here. Now we can see it is required approximately 16 mm diameter bar, which is of 28 numbers. In the same process, you can select any one of the column. Now we can see it is required approximately 20 number of the bars of 12 mm diameter. Again, you can select any one of the column at the story numbers. Okay, now we can see it is showing the reinforcement values here like this. So after checking the values, random checking for the beams and columns, we need to load the file, output file, which is comes under the StatPro software. So for that, click on the stat output file option. So click on the results option. Again, we have to select the concrete design. So it will be consisting of all detailed calculation which is involved in this particular structure. Okay, so this is the process we have to follow for the beam designing section as well as the column designing section. Okay, so again in the same process we can check the values which is related to the weight of the bars and which is related to the rebar percentage, which is comes under the slab section. So now we can see this is the slab section reinforcement, which is related to the longitudinal reinforcement, transitional reinforcement for this particular structure. Okay, again in the same process we have to see the total volume of the concrete that is required, which is approximately 171.4 cubic meter, and total weight of the bar which is comes under this 200,105 Newton. Okay, so again in the same process we have to design the foundation. For that, go to click on the foundation design, select the load cases which are comes under the seismic loading condition, wind loading condition, dead load, live load. Click on include option. So click on the run stat foundation. The fixed supports for this particular structure will be directly inputted to stat foundation software. So basically for any kind of the building designs, generally maximum civil engineers will prefer the isolated footing for the particular structure. So that's why I am selecting here as isolated footing design for these supports. These are the all supports which is comes under this category. Initially we need to generate the load combination. Go to click on loads and factors. Click on generate load combinations option here. Okay, again we have to select the load combination as per the Indian standard system. So click on generate load combination for the service load combination initially. Then after that we have to click on the ultimate load combination selection here. Okay, so that it will develop the load combinations here like this. Then after that we have to design the isolated footing. So for that, click on the job setup, new job, select any one of the name. Just I am selecting isolated footing as per the Indian standard system. So select the units will be of SI system assigned to all supports. Just you have to include the load cases, load combination which is comes under this selection property of 101, 102, 201, 202, 203. Click on include, click on create job option, so that it will develop the isolated footing job information on the left hand side here. So this is the concrete and rebar, this is the cover and soil type. You can change the bearing capacity of the soil as per the consideration. So here I am selecting bearing capacity is 200 here, footing geometry this is, and this is the sliding and overturning. Directly click on the design option, click on yes option, so that it will do the analysis process for the particular foundation section. Now we can see it is consisting of all detailed calculation for the particular foundation. Just I am selecting foundation number 48. So it will be consisting of complete calculation part which is involved on that particular structure with the considerations of the load cases. Okay, so again select the geometry, this is the geometry, this is the details and drawing for the particular structure. So now we can see it will be consisting of all detailed calculation which is involved in this particular structure. Due to the presence of the loading condition system, the values will be showing here like this for the particular structure here like this. Okay, so select the GA drawing, this is the GA drawing, this is the calculation sheet. So this is the complete calculation sheet which is involved in this apartment building structure. Okay, so this is the complete process of analysis and designing of simple 5-story apartment building by using StatPro V8A software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.